L-attriċi żagħżugħa Ingliża Kerry Ingram tinsab f'Malta fuq btala hekk kif lestiet proġett televiżiv fil-Bulgarija. Ingram hija ta' dixxendenza Maltija u ilha żżur lil pajjiżna mindu kellha biss 6 ġimgħat. Staqsejniha kemm għandha l-qalbha l-Gżejjer Maltin.
Oh, very. Yeah, my granddad grew up in Malta. My mum half grew up in Malta, half grew up in England. And I'm half grew up here and half grew up in England as well. I was singing at the Feast of Taljaloo on Tuesday, and I've been doing some press stuff as well.
Ingram ilha tirrexxa mindu kellha biss 10 snin. Bl-ewwel proġett ewlieni tagħha ikun dak fil-musical tant popolari fil-qasam teatrali Ingliż Oliver.
Well, I figured out my love for it when I was about 8 or 9, and then I started doing it professionally at the age of 10. I did Oliver in the West End. I was a very, very small role, and from Oliver I knew how to do auditions and I knew where to go. So I went to an audition for a bigger role in theatre, and I got it. And then from then on, I got an agent, and the agent found me auditions for TV and film, and it's just sort of progressed from there, really.
Apparti l-parti żgħira li kellha f'Les Miserables, Ingram magħrufa l-iktar għall-parti tagħha f'Game of Thrones fejn tinterpreta l-parti ta' Shireen Baratheon.
So for me, it was quite nice because I didn't just jump into something that was massive. I grew with its popularity. So it kind of, I've had time to adjust to it and learn the lifestyle and know how it works. And it was really, really lovely as well. I got to work with such amazing people that I never thought in a million years I'd be able to work with.
Għandha biss 17 sena, imma Kerry Ingram bla dubju għandha karriera twila u ta' suċċess qudiemha. Staqsejniha li huma dawk il-partijiet teatrali li xi darba tixtieq tinterpreta.
There's quite a lot of theatre roles that I really, really want to play. I think one of them is Glinda in the musical Wicked. That's one of my favourite roles. And also, I think I'd really like to play Dorothy one day. I just played Dorothy in a local production, but I'd really like to do it professionally one day. But TV film-wise, I don't think there is any roles that you can take over in TV. So I'd like to play a badass.